Debian versus Ubuntu versus Fedora. Which is the best Linux distro in 2026? Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux comparisons and tech reviews. Today, we're comparing three major Linux distros, Debian, Ubuntu, and Fedora, to answer the big question, which one is best in 2026? Let's break it down by the most important factors. 1. Stability and reliability. Debian is known as one of the most stable distros ever. It prioritizes rock-solid reliability, making it ideal for servers and long-term systems. Ubuntu is based on Debian but adds more frequent updates. It's stable for desktops and servers, but its release cycle means newer packages. Fedora focuses on cutting-edge software, so it's less conservative than Debian. That means newer features, but slightly less long-term stability. Winner for stability is Debian. Number 2. Latest software and features. Fedora leads when it comes to new technologies. Wayland, Pipewire, Rust tools, GNOME updates, and newer kernels arrive early here. Ubuntu is next. It balances new features with stability. Debian focuses on well-tested packages, so its software is usually older but very dependable. Winner for newest features is Fedora. Number 3. User-friendliness. Ubuntu shines here with polished installers, great hardware support, and vast community help, perfect for beginners. Fedora is friendly too, but its focus on newer tech sometimes requires a bit more Linux experience. Debian can be less beginner-friendly, especially when configuring non-free drivers or newer hardware.